In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Wondershare Filmora for YouTube Shorts in 2026. First, open Filmora and click on New Project. Set your project aspect ratio to 9026 vertical format, which is perfect for Shorts. Next, import your video clips, images, or screen recordings into the media panel. Drag them into the timeline and arrange them in the order you want. Now trim your clips to keep only the most engaging parts. YouTube Shorts work best when the video is fast, clear, and under 60 seconds. After that, add text, captions, and stickers to make your video more engaging. You can also use transitions, effects, and background music to improve the visual flow. If needed, use auto captions to quickly generate subtitles, which helps increase watch time and engagement. Once your edit is complete, click Export and select 1080 x 920 resolution for high-quality shorts. Finally, upload your video directly to YouTube Shorts from your phone or computer. So that's how to use Filmora for YouTube Shorts in 2026.